Hey guys, it's Valerie here. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys this nice cute spring makeup, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. So starting off with a fresh face, I have my eyebrows already done. The first step that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my MAC Pro Longboard Paint Pot in color Laying Low. I just got this. I really love it. It makes the shadows pop out so much more than with concealer. Does that even make sense? I don't know, but I'm just putting that all over my eyelid and then I'm going to blend it out. Next up, I'm going to be taking my NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in the color Bright. I'm just going to be taking the third shade in the first row. It's that orangey shade, and I'm just going to be placing that all over my crease or upper crease. I'm not really sure what it's called, but you'll see. And I'm just going to pack this on until I get my desired shade, I guess you would say. Like, I really want it to be really orange, so that's what I'm going for. With that same eyeshadow palette, I'm going to go in with that red shade in the first row, and I'm just going to be placing that in my crease just to intensify it a little bit more. I just really want a really nice cut crease, and that would just give it a lot of definition. So I'm going to be using my MAC paint pot. I'm going to use that to cut my crease. I really like this product to cut my crease because it's not like a liquid concealer where you have to be extra careful with it or else it'll like run or bleed all over your eye. This one is just there. You put it on, it's there, it won't move. So I got this idea from Aaliyah J, and it really works, and it's very easy to work with. It's really hard to mess up with this paint pot because like it's just so easy to use. So that's what I'm using to cut my crease, and yeah. Now going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, I'm going to be taking the color Chocolate Gold to put that all over my eyelid. That is why I honestly created this look, because of this chocolate gold. I'm so freaking in love with this color. It's so beautiful. You can use it for anything, prom, every day, spring, fall, you know, it's really universal. So yeah, that's why I'm using it, because I love it. And I purchased this palette, so I'm like, I gotta use it. Next up, I'm taking my NYX Matte Liquid Liner to do a quick cat eye. I really love this eyeliner. It's only $7 at Ulta. It's the best drugstore eyeliner. All of the other ones are trash. No love. And then I'm just going to add some old pair of lashes that I have. I believe they're from Kiss. And yeah, you're just going to see it. Taking my Neutrogena makeup remover wipes just to remove any of the fallouts from the eyeshadows and to have a clean base for my foundation. Next up, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty face add little dots all over my face, and I'm just going to rub it in. This is my absolute favorite primer ever, hands down, nothing else. Next up, I'm going to be taking my NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation in the color Medium Dark. I'm just going to add a few pumps onto my face. It's really nice and airy, very natural, but it is a full coverage foundation, medium to full coverage, but you can literally build this up to full coverage, but I was just going for a nice natural look. So I'm just going to use a beauty blender and blend everything out. I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Born This Way Natural Radiant Concealer in the color Dark, and I'm just going to use that to highlight underneath my eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow, underneath my mouth, like my chin, and my forehead. I'm going to be taking my CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder in the color 120 Translucent Honey. I had mixed this with my Airspun powder, and it just makes the perfect shade for us chocolate girls. Now I'm just going to be placing the setting powder everywhere that I highlighted. So underneath my eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm also going to be using this setting powder just to set my whole entire face because I don't use a face powder anymore. I'm also going to be taking that setting powder and putting some on my smile lines just to help it not crack throughout the day. So next up, taking my MAC Film Noir Matte Powder Blush. That is what I use to contour or bronze my face because I can't find a dark enough bronzer or contour, so I just use a powdered blush and it works wonders. Going back in with that setting powder, I'm going to put some on the bridge of my nose just to sharpen out that nose contour. And I'm also going to be placing some underneath where I contoured. And now I'm just going to be taking some setting powder and just setting my whole entire face and brushing away all of that setting powder. We were baking for like a hot minute. So we're just going to brush everything away so everything can look nice and blended and pink. Going back in with that NYX eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking that red shade and placing that underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and placing that on my lashes and to blend my natural lashes with the fake lashes. Next up, I'm going to be taking my Black Radiance Baked Blush in the color Raspberry, and I'm just going to place that on my cheeks just to give it a nice cute blush. It doesn't really show up because, well, I don't know, but I think it's there and that's all that matters. And I think I'm cute and that's all that matters. So next up, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe highlight. You already know the highlight is the most important part, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm just going to be placing that on the highest points of my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, my forehead, and my brow bone. Yeah, and I'm also going to be placing that in the inner corners of my eyes. Next up, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Stena Lip Paint. I just love this color and it just completes the look with all of the red. It's just my favorite lip paint ever. Fenty Beauty, I just love Fenty Beauty. So yeah, I'm just going to be placing that all over my lips, and it's kind of runny, so just be careful when you guys apply this lip paint on. Yes, girl. But we're not done yet. The last step is taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and setting my whole entire face, and that's it. We're done. And we're on our way to go get some men, right? Yeah, right? No, we're just feeling good. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye, guys.